Hi, my name is Ashley Norman with Texas Homes, and I'd like to welcome you to Ventana. Here at Texas Homes, we believe that a home that is designated for your personal lifestyle is the best option for you. But if you are someone who's looking for a home that is readily available, we do specialize in that as well. Here at Ventana, we offer 9 different floor plans that are all available to be customized the way that you would like for your lifestyle. We do things here like high ceilings, huge walk-in showers, tub and shower combos, beautiful offices. We really like to make sure we have a polished feel on our product. In Ventana specifically, we have great incentives that are designated specifically for this actual neighborhood. Things like closing cost incentives, rate buy downs, as well as price reductions. Things like that to help get each and every buyer in a home comfortably and tailored for them. What makes us awesome is we're that country feel living outside of San Antonio, but you're close enough to be to the city. Ventana is located in the beautiful Bulverde, which is in between Bernie and New Braunfels, right off of 46, and also on the other side of Blanco Road. And we're about 30 minutes from any base in San Antonio, whether it be Fort Sam Houston, Randolph Air Force Base, or Lackland Air Force Base. Come and see Texas Homes here in Ventana at our next event. We'll have some food, games, and raffles, and we're looking forward to seeing you.